largest region of Ethiopia and the homeland of the Oromo people. A nation with centuries old traditions, rich values, and a unique system of social organization known as the Gada. Among their most beautiful customs is the way they welcome a newborn child into the world. For the Oromo people, the arrival of a child is not only a family celebration but a community experience. Once a baby is born, the ceremonies begin immediately. Ceremonies rooted in care, healing, and joy. The first traditions starts on the very day the baby enters the world. A special food called Marka is prepared for the mother and her companion. Made from barley or wheat flour and enriched with butter, Marka gives strength, warmth, and nourishment. In many households, the mother eats Marka daily for a month or more. On the fifth or seventh day, depending on the baby's gender, the Oromo carry out a ceremony called Dhaqna Dhiqaa, a ritual bathing and healing process for the mother and her child. Though the mother baths before this day, Dhaqna Dhiqaa is unique. Experienced women perform a full body massage using traditional medicine. No part of her body is left unattended. This ancient practice helps restore her strength, relieve pain, and uplift her spirit. During the ceremony, Marka is again prepared. Women gathered, eat together, sing traditional songs, and encourage the mother not to feel sadness or fatigue after childbirth.
Cinqiin baanaanna irraanfattee jette maaramoo. Sunkoo jette maarami. Sunkoo shinii shanammaarratte. Yammutti cinqii shana waamatte. Cinqiin baanaanna.
40 days after giving birth, a final ceremony takes place. One, the marks renewal, strength, and return to normal life. This ceremony is known as Ulma Bahi. Ulma Bahi is a celebration of healing. From this day on, the mother is free to resume her daily activities. She is no longer confined to rest. Her body has recovered. Her spirit renewed and her connection with her community restored. It is also the day she unites with her husband fully. A moment of joy, gratitude, and new beginnings. Today in this home, we gathered to celebrate Shaggy's Ulma Bahi. Forty days ago, she gave birth to her first daughter, Amarti, and a meaning a ring. Friends have come together. Marka is prepared, and a cultural song has filled the air. Amaren garbu shafshafaya kilobuna. Mare ko martu jafjafaya kilobuna. Desuda jeda metino tura metino tura. Kilobuna ya kilobuna. Kanama barechu tilmoduma. Mare da jeda metino tura metino. It is a day of happiness, honor, and community support. From the day a child born, the Oromo people surround the mother and her baby with care, nutrition, healing, and love. These ceremonies are not just traditions, they are living expressions of community, dignity, and cultural pride. This is the beauty of Oromia. This is the story of birds, healing, and renewal.